Yeah, people, so today me have two videos for sure now, you see me I say. In the first video, what going on now is that a policeman catch a bus driver and a conductor, you know, then catch them in a bus with some little school, high school girl, you see me I say. The second video now, I know Jamaica happen, but it is a very interesting video, you see me I say. It's a very interesting video, so I want to see, I want to see what going on in there, you see me I say.
Jesus Christ, what is schoolgirl them? God go them.
Manly, humbuckly.
God go them schoolgirl. Rape. Rape. The big one them is schoolgirl them. Broad daylight in a bus them a fuck. Broad daylight in a fucking a bus. Little girl. Let's call them school now, you know.
So basically now, in the other video, what the woman you do, you, as I see, in man in a lock up, as I say, so she a use the baby for kind of make it, where am I for use? For pass and drugs to him, so he make a baby do like a baby asleep, and don't just watch the video careful, you know, see when the woman pass over a baby to him, and the man touch and run one part and take out in front of the baby clothes, and then push in a film clothes, as I say. But the police, them, did I watch them on the camera, so them realize that bringing dog in there and sitting at them, end up search 3 drugs and find and thing, as I say.